Hey, what's up? It's Justin with the Mo Challenge. I know, keto can be hard, especially when you're trying to get variety in and trying to keep the ideas fresh. You can't eat the same thing all the time, but what can you do? I recommend something called a frittata. Well, what's a frittata? Frittata is basically a gigantic baked omelet. If you can imagine anything you can put in an omelet, you can basically put in a frittata. This is my quarantine pan, and I've set up this thing to where you make your eggs, put it in the pan, and you have something to eat for like 2 or 3 days, or 2 or 3 meals, depending on how hungry you are. But these are a lot of eggs because eggs are really high in fat, they're good fats, and really good in protein. I add asparagus to mine, but you can add spinach, anything that's dark green. Like I said, it's a giant scramble or a gigantic omelet. It just requires you to use your imagination about what you want to have in it. And it's really easy, really simple to set up, and you can make it in about 15-20 minutes. Let me show you how.